right, guys, welcome to another ShedSuite update and training video kind of combined into one. We have this brand new feature that has just rolled out that is very, very exciting. It is a Google Merchant Center product feed for all of your inventory. So what that means is you'll be able to submit your product feeds to Google so that it can list all your inventory inside the Google search engine so that it can list your products inside the search, and then when a customer looks at that building, they can actually click on the link, go to your ShedSuite e-commerce platform and buy the shed. So in this video, we're actually going to create a Google Merchant Center account and do all the configuration necessary to get this up and going. Summit Portable Buildings has been gracious enough to let me use them as an example. So this is live, this is real. We will be going through this in real time here. So this video will be a little bit longer. You can pause it, come back to it as you need to. So let's go ahead and jump into it and get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is get logged into your Gmail account, and you're going to go to merchants.google.com. And if you do not have a Google Merchant Center account, it will say, we're sorry, you don't have one, and you're going to go ahead and say sign up for a Merchant Center. Make sure that you're logged into the right Google account that you want, and then click sign up for a Merchant Center. So the first question is going to be telling Google about your business. Do you sell products online? Yes. And you're going to put in your store address here. So this is summitportablebuildings.shedsuite.com. So grab that URL, put that in here, and you don't need that trailing space there. Do you have brick and mortar store? Yes, you do. Click continue. And it's going to say show your products on Google for free, reach hundreds of millions of people looking for your products. Yes, you own your store. Now we're going to go ahead and continue to Merchant Center. So this is really, really cool. It's going to ask you, so ShedSuite.com has a lot of products and stuff on it. So it's going to tell you that there's a lot of products on it, but your domain is specific to you, so you're going to see just yours. So you're going to click continue to Merchant Center. And you've got a welcome message. A new and simplified generation of Google Merchant Center is Google Next, or Merchant Center Next, which is awesome. It's a new version of Google Merchant Center, so that's pretty cool. So you go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is go through this welcome, steps here. So you can show your business on search and maps. That one is where you'd be able to grab your Google business listings. So I know this was their corporate store, so we're going to do this one for now. We can add more later on. There's more on this later. It's really cool. So you're connecting your Google business to your Google Merchant account. So cool, got that listed. And now you're going to add your business address. So you can go ahead and click add, and we're going to grab the business address here for the profile. Go ahead and fill this out, and zip code, state, and city. Okay, and we'll just remove that there. Okay, and click continue. Cool, so we're going to need to verify the phone number to confirm that it's you. First of all, you do need to, we're going to skip that, come back to that. We need to confirm the online store, so you click confirm, you come here and you get verified. So this summitportablebuildings.shedsuite.com. The easiest way to do this is to use an HTML tag, and you just grab this tag right here, copy to clipboard, you throw it in your Google, your e-commerce site, and you'll get verified. So you just open up your ShedSuite account, go to the landing page settings, click on edit, go to the script section and drop this tag right here in the script section and click save changes, and then come back here and you're going to click verify your online store. So Google is going to go out and look for it and say, okay, yep, you verified it, you claimed it, okay, you own this domain, this is yours, great. You can click continue now. So now that you've got your store claimed, you would be able to go and add your products feed. So there is some shipping information and stuff that you have to do, which is what we're doing right now. So we're going to say, yes, we ship to the United States. And we're going to, yes, so this is shipping for all of our products. We're going to do order cutoff time is 2 p.m. We can do Eastern time, handling time, Monday through Friday. I think we like to do this. You don't want to go too high on this, like maybe 4 days in the handling time. Days in transit, 2 to 4, that's what they recommend. I kind of leave that there. I always just go with free shipping. That's the simplest way to get going in Google. So let's go ahead and just roll on with that. We do need to set up taxes. So we're gonna say automatic based on the customer's location. We'll say that's good. So the last things that you need to do here to add your products, it is scraping your product store automatically, but it doesn't get as good of a product feed as you want it to. So you're going to come over here under products. You're going to create let's see here. You could add products to stores. That's really cool. So you can add your dealers and add products to stores. That'll be a different video for a different time. So add products. Right here, add products, add another product source. So you click add product source and you're going to enter a link to a file. So what you're gonna do is come over here and grab your URL and you're going to put in /product _ file .xml. Product feed. Sorry, my bad, guys. Product feed.xml. Okay, and here's your product feed for your entire Google or your ShedSuite e-commerce store. So grab this URL, copy that, come to Google, drop that in the product feed, and you say automatically updated every 12 hours. I think that's that's the closest time, updated at 12 a.m. That's the most the closest time frame, right? Go ahead and click continue. That's how it's going to update it the most, by just picking daily, every 24 hours. All right, so what this is you can rename this, I believe, if you click right here. Let's just name this ShedSuite e-commerce product feed. Click save. And what that's doing is it's going out and grabbing all your products right now. It's going out. You can, if it's not doing this right away, you can just click update and then it'll go out and it'll try to go after all your products. So that takes a little bit of time. So kind of let that go. And it's going to go out and get all your products and publish them here to your Google Shopping. So you can already see that it's pulled in a couple of these, basically because it has scraped the URL that we've given it. But this product feed that we gave it here is very detailed. It's got additional image links. It's got a lot of details that we're going to feed the Google Shopping product. And you can see that these products are already listed for sale on Google Shopping. They're in stock, they're available. You can actually click here, see what the product listing would look like on Google. It says this product is showing on Google right now. And you can see that it's still being verified. So it looks like there's still some things that Google is verifying. Okay, so this is actually created because of a lookup on shedsforsale.com. So this isn't even, it just pulled this stuff down because it knew the name and it tried to find things for sale on the website. So these aren't things that have come in yet from, here's some that have come in from ShedSuite e-commerce. So here we go. So we can take a look at these. They're still processing, but you can see that it has the price, it has the availability, it has the store URL, it's got the URL to the product, and it's got the brand as Summit Portable Buildings, the serial number, and the product ID, which is the inventory ID. These images are still processing, but it'll have this link to where if I click on this link, it'll actually open up the inventory details screen in e-commerce and show me this building and allow me to add it to cart and check out. The last thing I'll do before we'll end this tutorial is set up a few extra things in the business info under checkout. So this is really neat. You want to make sure you have your product feed done before you do this checkout button, but ShedSuite e-commerce has the ability to include a link to your checkout page. So what you can do is you can use this URL format, and you would actually put in your site here. Let's take off the product feed and let's put in cart. So this is the link to your cart, and we're going to drop that right in here. And then you're going to go, you're going to add a question mark equals, let me actually see here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so the URL structure is your e-commerce site / cart, and then it's question mark add equals, and then you put this dynamic ID holder right here. So it's like curly bracket, ID, curly bracket. And you can test this URL structure by clicking test URL structure. It'll open up the ShedSuite service and put a random ID in the URL, and then you can see that it worked. It put an inventory in the cart. Now the customer can check out. And so you know that this URL structure is correct, and now you can click save, and Google will then review it. It takes 24 hours to review it. Once reviewed, then you will have a checkout button in Google Shopping so that they would be able to check out directly from Google. It comes over here like this, and then they'd be able to check out right here on ShedSuite. So that's the basic gist of it. You've got everything verified now except for this phone number, which is obviously you just need to verify the phone number. You type it in, you get a text, and you verify the phone number, but we'll do that at a later time. So after you get all this stuff configured, then you have the opportunity to do ad campaigns. And this is what's really exciting. You can do some ad campaigns for your Google Shopping, and Google kind of takes care of, you can target a certain area, but Google kind of takes care of everything in terms of like targeting the right people and the people that are shopping for products. And we've already run some tests, and we've seen some incredible results already with just a small budget on a Google Shopping ad campaign. But you'll be able to come back here, check your performance, and be able to see the performance of all your products across Google as they're getting listed and as they're getting traffic and stuff like that. So hope this video was helpful. We're excited about this feature. We're excited to get all you guys' products listed on Google so you can sell more sheds. We will see you in the next video.